New got our truck here this morning. Got a 2010 F-150. It's a platinum model. Has 106K with a 5.4. Runs great. Oil was full. Clean. Got a left front suspension. Got a clean left front fender. Got a nice left front door. Lips look good. Got a power mirror, power folding, turn signal. Got a left rear door. Got articulate running boards. Got a clean bed. It's gray. Does not come with the cover. Missing the cab. No tail lights. No gate. Got a clean rear bumper. Got a trailer hitch. Got a set of tail lights. Bed is bare. No lights. No gate. No cover. Got a rear axle. Got a clean right rear door. Got a clean right front door. There's the other articulate running board. If you're looking for those, give my guys a call. They'll come to you. We don't inventory them anymore. Got a power folding mirror. Got a right front suspension. Interior two-tone leather. Bench in the back, buckets in the front. This is the platinum. These are your running boards. Platinum series. So it's got the brown on the gray leather. 60/40 bench in the back. Surprised there's no sunroof in this. It's got the two-tone door panels. It's got the power column. Adjustable brake pedals. It's got the radar. It's with the media. It's got the wood trim. Got good roof bags. $106K. Starts right up. No check engine light. Runs smooth. Quiet manifolds. If you need any parts off this platinum F-150, got a nice bed. The door's got a little bit of scale on the bottom, but they're not bad for a 2010. Give my guys a call. You got to sell you some stuff. Have a great day.